East Baton Rouge Parish is no stranger to flooding. Take a look at this high water on I-110 near the Capitol Access Road exit. Traffic backed up as cars try to merge into the far left lane. It's the only lane passable through part of the area because of the flooding. Department of Public Works crews were there working to get it drained. Mayor President Sharon Weston Broome posted this picture on Twitter of a crew working. She wrote, "The drainage system is flowing, but localized flash flooding will occur. Please do not drive through high water." High water on this part of Perkins Road didn't stop cars. Some drivers sped through it while others took their time. This neighborhood street off Government had some high water. You can see a garbage can sitting in the middle of the street.